Namaste everyone. Most of the person are well aware of use of long, kali mirch, badi ilaichi, tej pata due to use in making curry vegetables. Kadha and tea. Usually if you will use an appropriate amount then taste will be different or not suitable for eating. So it is recommended to use in right amount. You can store in your kitchen and grind these spices along with the tomato gravy whenever needed. In view of hygiene, what you can do, you can wash with water before use. Even I wash dry fruits also before making prasad. Lemon tea with elaichi and ginger is a good for having early morning to initiate your physiological activity. Elaichi reduces stress and also enhance natural flavor of good kind. Another kind of tea is boiling water with elaichi, ginger, long, 2-3 black pepper beads and add very little amount of tea leaves and do not boil too much. Just add and kept covered for some time. Do not use this every day. Usually in summer it will worsen your throat condition, will cause irritation. Kadha is different without tea leaves, contain ginger, ajwain, kali mirch, long, without lemon, with gur or sugar when you have a cold and cough. My observation says when cold, use this 2 or 3 times a day. Never wipe your nose. It is better to clean in running water. Means naak छिड़किए पोछिए कम. Clean nostrils even daily whenever you wash your face or brush and after having meal. Never try to stop natural immunity system, namely sneezing, yawing, coughing, sleeping, urination and motion. In nasal path there is mucous membrane that is very sensitive to temperature or any foreign or dirty particles. Our immune system is designed in such a way that no foreign particle enter inside body. Lungs also function in same way. When we inhale and exhale air, there is a purification system to release CO2 and absorb O2 in blood. As particle reaches into nose or mucous membrane contain villi, particle get entrapped, causes irritation, result into sneezing to release to or bring out that particle through nostril. This is basic mechanism that we have read during schooling. Similarly, lungs and diaphragm causes coughing. Low temperature cause virus activation in nose or membrane, result into infection in membrane that release mucus called cold. That is why it is said viral. It has some duration of 3 or 4 days. Kadha usually provide hot environment to inactivate virus. Inactivate means stopping replication of viruses. More detail you can get when you will read reproductive process of bacteria and viruses. Similarly, yawing means excess of O2 in respiratory system causes opening of mouth to release CO2, indicate you are tired because of less oxygen and you need sleep. All these natural system already designed by supreme inhuman to fight or protect yourself. Urination is the process to release extra water accumulating toxic substances from body after digestive process from the body. There are two kinds of muscle, involuntary and voluntary. Involuntary will function without will or voluntary with will. Means at regular intervals urinary bladder vacates through urination. When you feel to urinate but you don't, that is the function of voluntary sphincter muscle that allow to release urine. That is your will or in your control. Some people stop sometime, it creates pressure. In long term, muscles start malfunctioning. Usually it has been observed in old age persons suffer from this to unwillingly release some part of urine on bed. Sleeping is also one of the most important with spiritual point of view too, or giving rest to all organs of the body. My objective is here to discuss these things is only that ईश्वर ने सब कुछ ऐसा बनाया है जिससे हमें सब कुछ नेचुरली मिलता है, बट ह्यूमन माइंड ऑलवेज इंटरफेयर विद द नेचुरल सिस्टम ड्यू टू क्यूरियोसिटी, डोमिनेटिंग नेचर, कंक्वेरिंग और द इंटेलिजेंट माइंड. आजकल मॉडर्न ज़माने में देखा गया है कि लोग खुल के ना हंसते हैं, छींकते हैं, ना खांसते हैं, ना ही प्रॉपरली सोते हैं, ना ही ठीक से खाते हैं, क्योंकि दे आर बिजी इन वर्क और अर्निंग मनी. दे आर नॉट कैपेबल ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देमसेल्फ एज वेल एज फैमिली ड्यू टू बर्डन ऑफ वर्क और रनिंग फास्ट एंड फास्ट फॉर ओन प्रोग्रेस. ऐसा कहा जाता है शहद और अदरक का रस खांसी में फ़ायदा करता है. इन माई ओपिनियन अदरक इन एक्सेस विल worsen your throat condition. I think take honey in lukewarm water 3 times. It is best natural remedy for coughing. तेज पत्ता, बड़ी इलायची, long you can use for making pulao or rice, not every day, weekly, twice a week. You can schedule it in some kind of vegetable you can use as such, or in gravy you can grind. So we should always be grateful for all our sensory system for properly use. Thank you very much.